Asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh. Kusoo dhawaada dhammaan asxaabta ku xiran channelkayga. Waa anigoo ah Injineer Yaxya Maxamuud Diiriye. Maanta waxaan rabaa inaan halkan kusii wado koorsadii hore inoogu socotay oo lagu magacaabo Finite Element Method. Maanta waxaan qaadanaynaa casharkeenii 10aad qaybtiisii 2aad chapterkeenii 3. Waa problem 1. Part 1 kan uu ahaa, part 2 lessonka uu noqonayaa Open with Microsoft Edge. Maanta waa math ama problem. So in lesson 9 we took that in spring-kiga force macnaha waxaa ku yidhi chapter horta wuxuu ahaa bar and element method. Muxuu ahaa bar and element method. So barka markii tusaale ahaan our focus barka markii lasoo xisaabin waxaa focuskeena ama issue-geena waxaa inaan soo helno stress. So marka maadaama issue-geenu yahay stress formula maxaa waaye oo markii lasoo saaranayo stresska oo barka markii stresska lasoo saaranayo modulus of elasticity loo qeybshay L minus 1 hore usoo sheegay formulada. Just you need to memorize all of this. Let's say U1 unknown, U2 unknown. Formulas also mu are UJ. So mark stresses are well. Our element, our targets also. So mark you don't know the value of UI and U2. You don't know. So you need to find using spring element. And then also qaadani waxa lagu helaa E by L 1 minus 1 so you will use this formula, then you can easily find U1 and U2. haddii lagu dhaho what is the formula maxaa loo isticmaalaa waa spring element kama xawa laakiin so this is the or waxaa waaye bar elementiga waaye anaga soo helayno forceyada iyo distanceaha displacement. So you cannot use this formula until I can estimate. Must wa ina kan istimaasha ama U1 taaga iyo displacement yada U2 waa loo siiya. Alright? Problem ka halna. Marka problem gala fahmi doontaa insha Allah sabtigi. So problem waxaan loo yiri compute ama soo hel forceyaasha iyo displacement-iga each node. Waa number 1. Number 2 waxaa lagu yiri find soo helta stress value in megapascal for steel and aluminum. Stress soo helaysa steelka stress ka dhacaya iyo aluminum stress ka dhacaya soo saarnaysa. What is the formula of P stress so saarnay this formula. Okay, so U1 and U2 macnaha maxaa ka wada here is U1, here is U2, here is U3. So you don't know U1, U2, U3, right? You need to use this one. You need to find force and displacement, okay? Using previous formula. Marka hadii sometimes waxa laga yaabaa xitaa in aniga ka dhan aan ku weydiinba. Aan ku dhaho find the stress value in megapascal for steel and aluminum. U1 U2 musina marka maxaa ku qasban tahay inaan number 1 eeda soo saarato ama in kan ku weydiiyo aan ku dhaho the displacement of U1 is like that and the displacement of U2 is like that and the displacement of U3 is like that. Find the stress. Oh, I don't need force and displacement, so I already given displacement. Marka waxa way isku xiran, okay? Waxa lagu siiyay this part is aluminum, okay? So you don't know force displacement at each node, so you need to find as well as that one and then B here. So that means you cannot start B without starting A, okay? Steel into fixed ra ku xiran into steel into aluminum per waa mid fixed ba ku xiran. So EST maxaa laga wadaa modulus of elasticity of steel waxa haysta 200 gigapascal. Maxaa ka wadaa kilonewton per millimeter square megapascal, halka newton per millimeter square eta megapascal. So jawaabta stress ku sheega lagu yiri megapascal. So you need to convert marka had okay, no problem. Marka jawaab soo saarnada area waxa waa steelka modulus of elasticity aluminumka ee aluminum area of aluminum inso lagu siina from here to here 1 meter from here to here 1 meter K1 iyo K2 maxaa assume gareena si aan usoo saarto forceyadan displacementiga. So marka waxaa yidhi 1 kiga pascal waxaa lagu helaa 1 kilonewton per millimeter square. Areada in waxaa lagu siiyey meter square, you need to convert it millimeter square, not millimeter. Area millimeter ma anfacta. Area must be in millimeter square. Area must be in millimeter square. Okay. Area must be in millimeter square. Length must be in meter. إذا واحد كاستو editing اسمها I will open it. So we need to see millimeter square. انت save as Ctrl plus S save crest. That's it. So هذا آخرها وأقصى لها أيضا open with. So وكاس millimeter. Okay. So marka this what does it mean EI by L معناها maxaan ka wadaa hadhow marka isticmaalayo EI by L then the displacement will be in millimeter but laakiin waxaan ka wadaa displacement in millimeter معناها waxaan ka wadaa EI formulada maxaa laga wadaa EI by L will be the unit soo baxa EI by L malas balasiis lagu dhufto area loo qasho L formulada maxaa waa E waxaa lagu siiyey kilonewton per millimeter square. You need to convert the area millimeter square, meter square ahead than millimeter. This millimeter square and this millimeter square will be cancelled. It will be kilonewton per millimeter. That means EI by L will be kilonewton per meter. Understand? Okay. Okay. So you need to know unit conversion. Solution. How many nodes has that? 1, 2, 3 nodes. Matrix size 3 by 3. Why do I need matrix size? Because stress is so high. Because you need to find displacement before doing stress. Okay, boundary condition ka fiirina fixed ku xiran u1 is equal to 0, enter u2 is equal to what, enter u3 is equal to what, force 1 equal to what, force 2 equal to 0, force 3 is equal to minus 20. That's it, the boundary condition. I have done boundary condition. Okay, stiffness matrix ka soo saarkeedu waxoogaa in lagu helo EI by L into 1 minus 1. So what is the formula deal with this one? You need to say kilonewton per meter. Or also start this formula, kilonewton per millimeter. Okay, we need to say K1 in steel and we need to say K2 in aluminum. Assume okay. Okay. So then after that we need to say K1 form. This is the formula of K. Or also the K1 محنا متى مرك. إذا هاي است إذا mark K1 متى أنت assume gray EST EAST أبانا 200 E4 times 10 to the power minus 4 200 times 4 times 10 to the power minus 4. This 400 times 10 4 times 10 to the power minus 4 is meter square. So you need to convert millimeter square. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 millimeter. So if we want it, you need to square it. Why? Because it is meter square. Okay. So it will be 10 to the power 6. Then it will be millimeter square instead of meter square. Okay. لو قيب شيء ايش 1 متر ahead 1000 millimeter 1 minus 1. So انت ما كالكوليتر سو غليو 80 سو هله 1 minus 1 minus 1 80 هل قدفو 80 80 minus 1 قدفو minus 80 80 minus 1 قدفو. Oh, this is the value of K1. Okay. K2 maxaa waay 70 maxaan ka wadaa I assume here K2 E by A 70 into 2 times 10 to the power minus 4 lagu dhufto 10 to the power minus plus 6. So after putting all of this, I got 14. 1 minus 1, 14 halku dhuf dhadhadha. So K1 iyo K2 waa soo raadi anoo positionadii saxnaya. K1 waxay ka bilaabanaysa 1 index 2 1 2 2 3 2 3. You know, because inta K1 aan qaatay starts 1 index 2. K2 na starts 2 index 3. Okay. After that matrices ka samaysan AD inta dhigan. Meena 1 2 3 1 2 3 maadaama matrices 3 by 3 AD minus 80 minus 80 80. This is 2 2 14. Here 2 here 2 plus 14 minus 14 3 2 3 2 minus 14 minus 14 2 3 3 3 plus 14. Then level position so 0 0 u1 u2 u3 waa unknown f1 f2 f3 na waa forceyaasha. So you know u1 is equal to 0 because that was fixed support. U2 u3 we need to calculate. F1 is equal to f1 f2 is equal to 0, f3 now we have minus 20. So after that, how many unknown? u2 and u3. So let's say this one, this one, this one, this one. We need to take this portion. We need to take that portion. I already inserted. Then I use calculator. We got. I don't need to use. You may use. I got u2 and u3. So minus 0.25 millimeter and u3 minus 1.6 millimeter. Okay. Now, madam displacement so here we need to find the value of f1. 80 log of 0 was 0 minus 80 could of u3. 0 is 0. I'm so good. This minus 80 times u3. So minus 80 times u3 is equal to 20. So 20 balance. So force was so here. A what I made. B demo. In bar, our major issue is to find stress. In spring, our major issue is to find force and displacement. So, stress starts, you need to find first of all displacement. Force target command displacement was Sultan Horak Ukas Math Galark. Is out so good. B ya Galamar, B ya Galena. B how I stress of steel and Cormarina formula E by L minus 1 1 U1 U2 Hankoda. Stress of steel Makasosarna start this one in this two. That means here it will be U1, here will be U2. That's it. U1, U2. So E highest 200 for steel, L 100 millimeter minus 1 E1. Then U1 value with the grid was 0, U2 has also minus 0.25. So mark U1 was 0, like U2 had to soma. You need to calculate that. Okay? Then in Tamaka Square minus 0.2 and Hote. So minus okay. Inta marka calculate diray waxay noqotay marka isku qeyb minus 0.2 ay noqotay minus 0 inta marka isku qeyb waxay noqotay minus 0.2 sama. Absolutely yes I am right. Marka isku qeyb waxay noqotay inta marka isku qeyb waxay noqotay minus 0.2 minus 0.2 macna plus 0.2 ka inta ku dhufo minus 0.2 isku soo dhufo 0.20 minus 0.2 sidee isu guuri. Then we need to find stress of steel. Halwela minus 0.2 into 0 plus 0.2 into minus 0.25. So minus 0.05 gigapascal or kilonewton per minute square. Our target to higher megapascal shape, we need to multiply 1000, so minus 50 megapascal newton per minute square. Wa compression ka negative halka tension ka high positive tension stress and compression stress. So stress of aluminum associated E by L formula same wa E aluminum ka qaatay 1000 oo qaybsho oo L ah minus 1 status in aluminum starts to industry. So how U2 U3, so you have these two value U2 and U3 because U2 U3 دي لك بدلا kana ku bedeshay U2 U3 da kana U2 U3 ku bedeshay after that labadan isku qaaday 0.07 minus 1 0.07 ku dhufo minus 1 waa minus 0.07 waxa ku dhacay U2 ah minus 0.25 then 0.07 oo halka la ku dhacday waxa ku dhacay minus 1.9 so I got minus 0.0996 gigapascal 1000 ku dhufo minus 99.96 megapascal. It's compression. So waxa way hadda problemkiisa soo dhameynay waa boosina fila marka very easy man muhiimadda aan ku fahansiin marka okay address the question see touch waxa qulaasayna marka soo gabagabina formulada hadii aad haysato waxa وخلاص فهو فهمي كرتا. You have brother this one. Target كاغ وحاوة هورتا معناها in bar this is bar بروا مانا bar element method. وحانكو إلي bar element method كا معناها bar element method كا bar element method مكي لحسابين آيا هورتا target كي وحاوة إنا حسابيو stress يدين أحسوه الوان. What is the formula of stress? Either can be gigapascal, either can be megapascal, either can be PSI either can be KSI. All of these way noqon kartaa stress formuladeeda. Okay, stress maadaama u baahanahay, we know the formula of stress oo in lagu helo E oo modulus of elasticity loo qeybshay lengthka ku dhufsan -1 unknownka ah U ayna dhahaa fiican not U1 UJ. This is the formula of stress. So su'aasha isweydiinaysa waxay tahay this formula were given waaba lagu siiyay. What will be UI and UJ? Okay, su'aasha taas waa marka horta marka ka soo saarnaysa stress of steel waxa lagu siiyay ku xirantaa maanta waxa lagu siiyay kan steel. Stress of steel marka soo saaranayo you need to say U1 and U2. So what is the formula? You need to find U1 and U2 value. Marka waxa leedahay waxa u laabanay stiffness matrix spring ka u laaban. So we need to find this alel because hadii lagu dhaho U1 waxa qaata -0.25 mm ama U1 waa taqaanaa oh I know U1 0 but laakin U2 waxa u qaata lagu leeyahay -0.25 mm U3 u qaada lagu leeyahay 1 mm. Oh, you need to say I don't need to calculate U1 and U2 because it's given. Oh, directly can add. Laakiin hadii lagu siin maxaa sameynay? Hadii lagu siin maxaa sameynaysa? You need to use this formula. E A by L into -1 كم يحط أنت K. We will assume here K1 and we will assume here K2. Then labadan K1 and K1 ama kirena waxa ka abuura matrix. That matrix will be stiffness matrix. After that I can calculate displacement as well as I can calculate forces. Since forces ka muhiimad ilahayn, after calculating displacement at U2 and U3 I will put that value here. Finally, I can easily find stress. Okay, muhiimadu waxa waa casharka intaas weeyay. Marka waxa ogaatay stress ma soo saaran kartid adigoo xisaabin displacement. Markaas ma ka dhacda. Even haddii lagu siiyo displacement-iga at point 2 and point 3, then formulada stress-ka direct u aadi kartaa. Laakiin haddii lagu siin you need to calculate using the formula of AE by L into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 that matrix. Okay, maxaa kaloo ii dhiman? Okay, waxaa kaloo ii dhiman marka kan xisaabinayo stress of steel marka dhahayo steelka U1 and U2, aluminumka this one will be U2 and this one will be U3 and I will put U2 here and I will put U3 here. So marka casharka waa fahantaa filaya wax su'aalo ka imaan karto as I think. So you need to memorize this formula for stiffness matrix as well as you need to memorize this formula for getting stress of steel and stress of aluminum. After that you need to now if it's the formula, if the value is minus, you need to say, oh, it is compression stress. If the value is tension plus, you need to say, oh, it is tension stress. So marka casharkeena intaas ayaan kusoo khulaaseynayaa. Waxaan idin leeyahay wassalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh. Waxaa inoo balan lesson 11 hadduu ilaahay nafta inoo idaayo due to my mashquulkayga controversy. So in this week I hope I'm so do it. Into so good. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.